Most people think meal prep kits are perfect for busy professionals. Pre-organized ingredients, easy recipes, no grocery shopping. But here's what nobody tells you about these convenient boxes. You're exhausted after back-to-back meetings. Your brain is completely fried. And now you're supposed to cook the meal kit sitting in your fridge. The one that still needs 40 minutes of chopping, saucing and cleanup. Meal kit companies sell convenience, but they are not saving time. You're paying $200 a month to still cook when you have zero energy left. They don't solve the real problem. They just move it to 8 p.m. when you're already done. Let's do the actual math. Meal kits require 30 to 40 minutes of active cooking, 5 nights a week. That's 2.5 hours to 3 hours of exhausted cooking time. You're not buying convenience. You're buying ingredients that demand your last bit of willpower. Here's the truth. What actually works for time-starved professionals is one focused 90-minute session on Sunday, 5 complete meals ready to grab, 0 cooking Monday through Friday. This works because it eliminates decisions. You make every food decision once. Then your brain gets the entire week off from meal stress. You follow a pre-organized shopping list. You execute a simple minute-by-minute cooking sequence that stacks protein, vegetables, and bases at the time. You rotate 3 sauces so Monday meals taste nothing like Wednesdays. You portion everything into 5 containers, and you're done. Now, compare the real numbers. Meal kits take 5 hours a week of scattered, exhausted cooking. The system takes 90 minutes of focused cooking. That's 3.5 hours back every single week. And more importantly, you eliminate all those "what should I eat" decisions that quietly drain your mental energy during peak work hours. Because your real problem isn't dinner at 8 p.m. It's the 3 p.m. meetings when your brain hits the wall because lunch was whatever you could grab the fastest. Meal kits don't fix that. They can't. I've helped over 50 professionals escape the meal kit trap. They're saving over $200 a month, reclaiming 3.5 hours every week, and maintaining steady energy through afternoon meetings instead of fighting brain fog. One software developer told me, "I spent 6 months of HelloFresh thinking I was being productive. Then I realized I was still cooking, exhausted every night. This gave me evenings back, and my afternoon got sharper." Here's what you actually get. 5 meals ready Monday morning, 0 daily food decisions, steady afternoon energy without the crash, built-in flavor rotation so you don't get bored by Wednesday, and 3.5 hours of your life back every single week. So stop paying meal kit companies to still make you cook when you're exhausted. Those boxes are helping. The complete system already exists. Pre-organized shopping list, minute-by-minute cooking sequence, 3 sauce rotation, simple container setup. Everything you need to produce 5 grab-and-go meals in 90 minutes flat. If you follow the system twice and don't feel steadier afternoon energy and 0 food stress by week 2, you get a full refund. You keep everything, because this works even during chaotic weeks. If you're done with the meal kit line and ready for the 90-minute truth, the link is below. No cooking skills required, just one checklist and your Sunday's back.